Here's what I did in a day in Kyoto, Japan's old capital and a city rich in history and culture. I took a bullet train from Tokyo, scoring a window seat on the right side. On this clear day, I was treated to a stunning view of Mount Fuji. It's still classified as an active volcano, even though it hasn't erupted since 1707. We checked into the Hyatt Regency, a luxury hotel with classic Japanese aesthetics. They gave us bikes to use, which was great for getting around the city. Kyoto holds a special place in Japan's past. It made it through the many tough times over the years. In World War II, it was left off the list of atom bomb targets. This helped save many of its old buildings. Our first stop was Fushimi Inari Shrine. It's touristy, but it's a must visit. Dedicated to Inari, the Shinto deity of rice, agriculture and business. Over 10,000 red torii gates wind up Mount Inari, creating stunning forest pathways. You might spot monkeys on the height, but don't interact with them. We didn't make it all the way to the top, but after 30 minutes, we were treated to a nice view of Kyoto. Next, we went to a roketsu dyeing workshop at Roketsuzumi Yamamoto Studio. This traditional technique involves applying wax to cotton fabric before dyeing it with natural indigo. I chose an Innu hariko design, an ancient Japanese dog motif. An old master guided us through the hour-long process of wax painting, indigo dipping, rinsing, and drying. It's a great way to create a personal souvenir. We then explored Nishiki market, known as Kyoto's kitchen. It offers a vast array of fresh seafood, produce, traditional sweets, pickles, and sushi. Remember to eat only in designated areas and carry your trash, as bins are quite hard to find. It can get crowded depending on when you visit. Another good way to navigate Kyoto is by bus. A one-day pass costs about 600 yen, or about £4. You can take a bus to the city center near Shijo Street for shopping. Or to Gion, the historic district. I wrap up my day in Gion, visiting shrines like Yasaka, and strolling through alleys lined with well-preserved wooden mochiya houses.